What do hazardous areas, confined spaces and underwater sites all have in common? These are environments where you don't want to send people unless you absolutely have to. Since 2009, Spectis Robotics have been providing solutions that mean you have options to gather data safely, whilst making sure critical inspections keep your operations moving forward. Our systems are compact and can be deployed in minutes, even by a one-man crew. They're built to operate in difficult and challenging conditions where sending people is dangerous, costly, or just impossible. Between us, the team has decades of experience with remote inspection systems. We put that experience to good use by advising our clients on the best tool for their specific use case. From nuclear sites to offshore infrastructure, our systems have operated in the most demanding inspection environments in the world. Many of the products we offer are modular and customizable, so if you need a specific tool, like LiDAR for wind turbine blade inspections or sonar for navigation, we'll configure the best solution for the job. We also carry out warranty repairs and servicing in-house, as we're an authorised service provider for Deep Trekker and DreamTech. If you're running complex inspections that feel impossible, get in touch with Spectis Robotics and we'll make it possible.